The charts, this is the Market Beast edition. Your fellow competitor speaking. So Neo, of course, needs an update. As of 2 months ago, I think it was. Hopefully, we're leaving a link to our video post. Made a post on video speculating that it could make a gesture. It appears that that gesture has came to fruition, almost perfect. So have a little patience with me as we pull up the charts, our original lines, and pull up some new levels to see exactly where we could be heading here in the short term. So let's get into the details, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, loyal subscribers. Let's dive to the charts. So today's September the 11th, 2024, and the previous close of Neo, $5.60, slightly positive 2.1% for the day. All right, lovely ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to anyone who was able to capture this beautiful move as the market was continuing down. If you're new here, let's kind of keep you up to speed. We're taking a look at the low risk range for Neo as a buy-in opportunity in your sim account. Stretch all the way to approximately $7.10, all the way down to about $4.29-ish. Now that may vary from pennies on the dollar according to what we explored in our previous videos. That's okay as long as it's, within a penny range, right? Let's kind of pull this over. So it's just basically appearing to push to the upside. It's back within our low risk range. I don't see why it would be an issue for Neo to test or break through the $7 level. I'm not sure when that's going to happen. Please do not quote me on that information. And just again, a nice bird's eye view for those of you who are just stepping in with us. A lot is going on here. Please kindly take a look at our previous videos so that you can be more informed on what you're looking at. But let's start from scratch here, okay? Hopefully you have some patience with me. Now, excuse me, the way that I look at charts is very simple. We're taking a look at weekly candles, and it appears that I can instantly kind of zero in on this range right about here. So something like that. Excuse me. So that range is going to be in between $3 and about 60. Let's call it like $3 and about 60 cents. It goes all the way up to $5 and about 72 cents. So I'm going to consider Neo within this little small range. This is super hypothetical. Again, I'm just kind of pulling this out of the charts as I'm kind of exploring it here. None of this is rehearsed, guys. So I'd say that if Neo were to take this opportunity to just kind of bounce around in this range, I know bulls, a lot of you are just kind of like ready for moon time, something like that. I think people say, right? The cliche. You guys are waiting for this to go to the moon, right? That's fine. But me personally, by the way, we are invested. If you're new, I would much rather the Neo establish some sort of range or take the opportunity to continue to consolidate within perhaps this range that we're taking a look at. Now, I'm not saying it should go all the way back down to $3.60-ish cents, but if it were, I'm open to that. So again, I don't want to have a bullish bias just because we are long this market, okay? But I'm definitely open to more consolidating within the $3.60 range, again, up to about $5 and about 72 cents. But that would be considered the breakthrough level for me here in the short term, as what we were trying to identify in the charts is some sort of established consolidation range. And that's what I'm going to speculatively say that that's what the price action is doing right now. It's trying to form some sort of Adam, right? An Eve bottoming formation pattern. So again, that level to kind of make sure to solidify what I'm speculating here is the $5.72-ish cents level. If we can get a nice close above that level on the weekly, and then that level is used as support, then I would feel more comfortable saying that yes, the price action appears to be developing an Adam and Eve bottoming formation pattern. Okay, too soon to say right now. We got about a day and 18 hours for this active weekly candle to close. Anything can happen between now and then, so let's give the price action some time to play out and take it from there. Okay, so what am I seeing? Again, 572. Let's see if the weekly candle can close above that level and just kind of take it one step at a time from there. Okay, but so far so good. Again, guys, we're looking for those slow moves up. You don't want to see like NEO is up 100% today. That's not what we want to see. If we want to see this have a sustainable turnaround, as there has been a lot of bleeding in this market for some time, ever since the highest point reaching at about January the 11th, 2021. That's about 3 to 4 years of just continued, downwards momentum. A lot of investors frustrated, probably thrown in the towel, but I'm pretty excited now about NEO, as I think this is a really nice opportunity to play this market up to the level that we were speculating that a minimum it could go up to, which is about $16. Okay, so if you're new, that's the price level that we're seeing as a possible inevitable target. I don't like to say inevitable because most of my inevitable targets have come to fruition, so I want to be a little reserved with that verbiage. Okay, so it's possibly an inevitable target, $16. But let's take it one step at a time. 572. Let's get back in here. 572. Get a weekly candle close above that level and just kind of, again, take it from there. I repeat myself a lot. I know. Pardon me, guys. So that's it. I'm not seeing any really thing else. Take a look at the daily candles and close this out. Short video. Thank you for your patience. So, yeah, not really seeing anything spectacular or worth mentioning on the daily candles. Let's focus on the weekly candles and put that level on your chart. Perhaps even put that little range, this little range that I put on the chart, from like 360 all the way up to 572 to see if we can get a break out of this range to the upside. All right. That's all the information I have for you, wonderful folks. Hopefully that was good. So let me know down in the comment section. What are you guys seeing? Are you seeing lower prices? Is this like a bear trap, bull trap or something? Let me know that information down in the comment section. So again, before you go, do me a huge favor. That's the end of the video, guys. Leave an appropriate thumb on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued support. If you guys are new, we also explored the alternative market, Bitcoin and Dogecoin for now. So you can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals.